Hi reception. So yesterday in maths we started looking at the idea of sharing, and we talked about how there are two very important things to remember when we are sharing. The first thing is that we are taking a bigger number of things, and we are sharing them, splitting them into smaller groups. Now the other thing that was really important to remember about these groups is the fair share. Are we sharing them in a way that is fair? If you were having sweeties shared out to you and you got less than somebody else, would you think that was fair? That's a good way of thinking about it. Is it a fair share? So, to help us, I am taking a video of my lunch at school today. Now for my lunch, it's not the healthiest lunch, but I've got some lovely cupcakes, pie, ice cream, donuts, cake, all the things that I probably shouldn't be having for lunch, but there we go. And I've got some friends to come and have lunch with me. I have got Lily's lovely crocodile. I've got Lily's very cheeky monkey and Axel's rather terrifying piranha. They are going to have lunch with me today. Now, if I was to have one, two, three, 4 pieces of food for my lunch, and I wanted to share that out because I was feeling like a kind friend, I would have to give them out one at a time and make sure that I give each of my friends, plus myself, the same amount. So I would go 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, and 1 for you. Now I've given out all of my food. I've gone round one at a time and made sure that each friend got the same amount, plus myself obviously because I'm feeling hungry. So piranha has got 1 piece of food, monkey has got 1 piece of food, crocodile has got 1 piece of food, and I have got 1 piece of food. So I feel like that's pretty fair. I think everybody is happy with their lunch that they have got today. So 4 shared between 4 equals 1. Now if I was to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of food. Again, I'm going to share it out because I'm feeling friendly. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, and 1 for me. 2 for you, piranha. 2, 2, 2. I've shared out all 8 pieces of my food. I've made sure that I've given them out one at a time. Each friend has the same number of food. Piranha has 2, monkey has 2, crocodile has 2, and I have 2. So 8 shared out by 4 equals 2. Now, if I was feeling greedy and not very kind, I might go 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, and 2 for me. 1 for you, monkey, maybe 1 for you, crocodile, and you know what, another 1 for me. I'm feeling very hungry today. If we have a look at this, there is somebody here, or 3 people here, but 1 person in particular, that is not feeling very happy. Piranha has got 1 piece of food. Monkey has got 2, crocodile has got 2, and me, I've got 3 pieces of food. Now, yes, I've taken my larger amount of things and I've divided them into groups, but is it a fair share? I'm thinking piranha is not going to agree that it is a fair share. So that would not be me sharing out my food equally. Now, here I've got a way of us writing down how we have shared out our food. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of food. So I'm going to put this number 8 in the middle, that big middle number, big plate of food in the middle. And when I gave them out, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Each person in the circle got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Each friend got 2 pieces of food for their lunch. So I started with my big number, 8. I've shared it out into smaller groups, and each group has the same number. So yes, I have split my big number into smaller groups, and yes, I have made sure that each group is fair. So while you're doing your sharing at home, make sure you've got those 2 ticks. Have you shared them out into smaller groups, and have you made sure that each group has the same number?